We do mention Ethereum every now and again, but its founder has taken aim at DOGECOIN after he created a video for how the cryptocurrency can be improved. But why do we care? Well, Ethereum is one of the largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. According to ycharts.com, Ethereum's market cap is at a current level of $243.4 billion, down from $266 billion yesterday and up from $22.9 billion 1 year ago. This is a drop of about 80% from yesterday and 960% up from 1 year ago. So it's a pretty important crypto, and its founders think that DOGECOIN cannot scale sufficiently fast enough. It appears that Ethereum's founder is at odds with Elon Musk after he released a blog post about Doge having a few issues it must resolve in order to scale. I don't think it's a feud per se, but rather two entrepreneurs with a markedly different approach. Even so, comments from Vechain, the founder of Ethereum, have significant implications for both Elon and Doge, as some investors might be watching and will likely make an investment decision based on these. So let's cut to the chase and see what's going on. But before we move any further, don't forget to leave a like on this video, tap the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications to stay up to date with what's going on with DOGECOIN and developments in the broader crypto markets. Also, you can join our channel as a paid subscriber for exclusive benefits. Check the join button next to the subscribe button, and don't forget to join the free Discord group via the link in the description. Ethereum co-creator Vitalik Buterin wrote in a blog post on Sunday that while Elon Musk has great plans for Doge, there are some technical roadblocks that the Tesla CEO might encounter as he seeks to improve the efficiency of payments. This is true, of course, but it's cheaper to make payments in Doge than in Bitcoin. But there are challenges with scaling the digital currency across other platforms. Buterin said there were important but quite subtle technical factors that limit blockchain scaling, but working on the efficiency of payments will enable scaling over the long run as the Doge community grows. Let's not forget that there's quite a bit of financial power and manpower at Tesla to develop this, and while it's unlikely that Musk will be working directly with Doge developers, he will be providing enough support for the currency to be accepted by the likes of Tesla in the future. At least that's what most Doge holders hope for. Elon is choosing Doge because at present it's more efficient and pollutes less than any other cryptocurrency in the market. I think this tweet sums it all. The efficiency of DOGECOIN in comparison to other cryptocurrencies is well documented. Its muted environmental impact and the ability to seamlessly integrate payment platforms such as Flexa make it ideal as a cryptocurrency. In his blog post, Buterin explained why it could be rather difficult to make Musk's wishes come true without leading to extreme centralization and compromising the fundamental properties that make a blockchain what it is. In this post, which I'm sure you can find online, he argues that it's necessary for blockchain decentralization for regular users to be able to run a node. At first, this might seem trivial, but the fact that cryptocurrencies are decentralized and less risky means that network failures are unlikely to occur. It is unknown what the exact threshold is for herd immunity to kick in, but one thing remains clear. More nodes are good and fewer nodes are bad. In his blog post, he argued that more than a few dozen or a few hundred nodes are needed. He equally noted that while standard cryptocurrencies based on blockchains are easily scalable because no single node needs to process every transaction, there are roadblocks to capacity. This is all well and nice, but the fact that Doge consumes fewer fossil fuels than Ethereum is the point. However, energy efficiency isn't always payments efficiency, and that's the point of the blog post. This explains why cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum can process over 1 million transactions per second. This is driven by an agile tech infrastructure and faster processing across its decentralized network. The decentralization that makes blockchains so valuable is equally useful, so it's going to take work to do this without sacrificing. There have been several comments and advice on how Elon Musk can create a better DOGECOIN. Last week, Charles Hoskinson, another Ethereum co-creator who's equally one of the founders of Cardano, equally gave some valuable advice on how to create a more efficient DOGECOIN. Let's not forget that this week had been pretty brutal for cryptocurrencies, and while the public advice was sent across Twitter and blog posts, Doge and Ethereum both suffered setbacks. Not enough to call a bear market, but enough to notice. When asked if the cryptocurrency markets were in a state of a bubble in a CNN interview on Thursday, Vitalik Buterin answered in the affirmative. The likelihood is that he props up Ethereum over Doge, which Elon Musk had previously described as the currency of the people. However, when asked about frothy prices in cryptocurrency markets, he responded that bubbles will pop when they do occur, but he equally noted that they were incredibly difficult to predict. If at all cryptos were a bubble, there's no saying that a China ban and sudden fall in the price wouldn't have caused the bubble to pop. If Bitcoin can swing from 55,000 to 38,000, then there's no saying that the broader cryptocurrency market is perhaps in need of a correction. But that's outlandish, as every single currency such as Doge or Ethereum has different characteristics and appeal to a different kind of investor. Before the crash, Tesla CEO Elon Musk had been wrangling with Bitcoin adherents on Twitter after the automaker he leads stopped accepting the currency for payments, citing environmental concerns. This caused the price of the cryptocurrency to crash, and he said the following: "I think it's reasonable to expect a bit of craziness, but I do think that the markets will learn. Elon is not going to have this influence forever. Or perhaps he might, one never knows." However, in the blog post, Vechain did not ascribe any malevolent intent to Musk's tweets on Dogecoin, and said the Tesla CEO is human, and humans get excited about DOGECOINs. Meanwhile, Tesla's boss has a different view of the cryptocurrency, the fiat debate. Rather than simply emphasize efficiency as the driver of Ethereum over Doge or vice versa, access appears to be an important element, and the ease of processing transactions and energy use can be compared to cash even as its decentralized network can become more of a concern if energy needs do not reflect the requirements. Elon Musk announced today on Twitter that he would prefer cryptocurrency to fiat currency. This reversal comes after the SpaceX CEO put out contradicting signals for almost a week, beginning with a claim that Tesla will stop accepting Bitcoin as a payment mechanism. "The fundamental war is between fiat and crypto," Musk remarked on Twitter earlier. He was responding to a Twitter follower who said, "Yo, Elon, what do you think about the peeps who are angry at you because of crypto?" So even though Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin because it's deemed inefficient, some issues make the scaling of Dogecoin rather difficult. These might not be apparent just yet with a growing community, but as the crypto becomes saturated, it might be increasingly challenging as the currency scales and expands across Asia and Africa. "We're concerned about the expanding consumption of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining," Musk had said. One of his Twitter followers said Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter when they find out Tesla dumped the rest of their Bitcoin holdings. He, of course, refuted this and continues to invest in the cryptocurrency via Tesla. However, after the currency was dropped from Tesla's payment systems, the founder of Ethereum likely saw this as an opportunity to talk up the use case for the currency after it emerged that Doge might be the favored currency in use. There is reason to believe that Dogecoin is not only being accepted across the world, but that the community will continue to grow. In order for it to become the currency of the earth, the payment of goods and services will have to happen rather efficiently. Already, central banks are worried about the financial stability effects of cryptocurrency. The last thing anyone wants is for one of these systems to become a drag on the financial system. For now, Doge is environmentally friendly, and with time, it would need to improve its code to be able to scale. There's nothing new to this, but while I welcome the concerns of Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin, I think there is scope for the cryptocurrency to become mainstream. It will need some clever network changes and streamlined transaction verification via enhanced node efficiency. Okay, that sounded a bit techy, but if the transactions become effective, Doge will likely become the currency of the people and compete with more established currencies like Ethereum. Ethereum's founder might be wary of Dogecoin's meteoric rise, but I'm sure it remains to be seen if Ethereum's energy consumption and efficiency in payments keep their momentum. All the same, Doge will continue to see broader adoption across the globe. Its price will be driven by a mix of structural and short-term news such as this, so hold on to your screens and keep following our updates. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with market developments. Also consider joining our channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. Check the join button next to the subscribe button. And don't forget to join the free Discord group via the link in the description. What are your thoughts on what Vitalik Buterin says? What are your thoughts on what Elon is doing? Let us know in the comments section down below. And don't forget to check out some of our previous videos as well. Good luck and happy investing.
That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.